North Texas doctors have noticed something during the pandemic that they can only describe with words like historic and astonishing. The flu and the respiratory illness, RSV, are almost non-existent right now. New at 10 o'clock, Caroline Vandergriff explains one of the unintended but positive side effects of this ongoing pandemic.
During the peak of RSV season, Children's Medical Center in Dallas would sometimes see more than 50 positive cases a day.
In typical years, you walk through the halls of the Children's Hospital and the wards would be full of children with RSV.
The respiratory illness can be a serious and even fatal concern, especially for infants. Outbreaks of the virus usually begin in the fall and last through March, affecting thousands of kids in North Texas. But this season, Children's Medical Center has only had 2 cases.
We just haven't seen any of it. It's astonishing. Maybe historical would be it. Both of those words are understatements.
There hasn't been a single admission for RSV at Cook Children's in Fort Worth either.
I've been a practicing pediatrician for 22 years and I've never seen anything like this.
Flu infections are extremely rare in North Texas too. Doctors credit public health measures like mask wearing and social distancing.
All of the things that we've been doing to try to combat COVID-19 have had a significant impact on the transmission of other viruses which are transmitted in the same way.
But my real concern is that these viruses are going to raise their ugly head again.
So for now, we can celebrate this unintended positive consequence of the pandemic, but not completely drop our guard.
It's not as if we've eliminated these viruses from the general population. No, they're going to come back.
And it's even possible the flu or RSV could pop up earlier than normal in the summer months.
If that's starting to happen, then yes, the historical lesson is, get our masks back on.
And get back to frequent hand washing.
I think we can find a middle ground between what we've needed to do in the last year and what we have done in the past. We can be more careful about how we get together.
In order to prevent RSV and flu cases from spiking again after the worst of the pandemic is behind us. Caroline Vandergriff, CBS 11 News.